Hi everyone! Welcome back to Minute English with Dani. Today we're going to learn how to describe how we do things using adverbs of manner. Ready? Let's go. We use adverbs of manner to say how someone does something. For example, she sings beautifully. He drives carefully. These words tell us how the action happens. Most adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to the adjective. Quick, quickly. Careful, carefully. Bad, badly. But there are some exceptions. Good, well, fast, fast, hard, hard. Be careful! We use adjectives to describe nouns and adverbs to describe verbs. Look at the difference. She is a careful driver. Adjective describes she. She drives carefully. Adverb describes drives. See the difference? The meaning changes completely. Let's look at a real example. Vinicius Jr. plays soccer skillfully and dribbles the ball quickly. He practices diligently and plays confidently. Fans cheer loudly because he plays so well. Adverbs help us imagine exactly how things happen. Now it's your turn. Complete these sentences with an adverb of manner. Great job! Now you can use adverbs of manner to describe how actions happen. Write one sentence using an adverb of manner in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit my website for more free lessons.